Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting unboxing for you. We're going to be taking a look at Samsung's latest flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Samsung is known for making some of the best smartphones on the market, and we're excited to see what they've come up with this time. So, let's get started and see what's inside the box. First, we've got the phone itself, wrapped in plastic to protect it during shipping. Let's take that out and set it aside for now. Next, we've got the quick start guide and user manual. The S23 Ultra supports fast charging, so you can quickly top up your battery when you need to. We've also got a USB-C to USB-C adapter, which can be handy if you need to transfer files from your phone to your computer. In addition, there's a SIM ejector tool, which you'll need if you're inserting a SIM card into the phone. Now let's take a closer look at the phone itself. The camera system is located on the back of the phone and features 4 lenses, including a 108MP main camera. The S23 Ultra has a stunning design, with a metal frame and glass front and back. The phone also has a large 6.8-inch display, which is perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. Another thing that hasn't changed for the new S23 Ultra are the S Pen features. This device has the exact same ones as its predecessor. To power on the device, simply press and hold the power button located on the right-hand side of the phone. Once you do this, the Samsung logo will appear on the screen, and the phone will begin to boot up. It's worth noting that the power button on the Galaxy S23 Ultra can also be used for other functions. For example, if you press it twice quickly, it will launch the camera app. And if you press and hold it, it will launch the power menu, which allows you to restart or power off the device, as well as access other settings such as emergency mode, screen capture, and more. Overall, powering on the Galaxy S23 Ultra is a simple and straightforward process, and the power button can be used for a variety of other functions as well. It's clear that Samsung has put a lot of thought and effort into creating a device that is both beautiful and functional. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, we highly recommend checking out the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 Ultra ships with Android 13 and One UI 5.1 out of the box. Let's take one more quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. As you can see, the phone has a stunning design with a large, high-resolution display and a sleek, slim profile. The camera system is impressive, with multiple lenses and sensors that deliver outstanding photo and video quality. And of course, the phone is packed with powerful hardware and software features that make it one of the best smartphones on the market. Overall, we were extremely impressed with the Galaxy S23 Ultra and everything it has to offer. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for joining us today as we unboxed the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. We hope you enjoyed taking a closer look at this amazing device. On behalf of the Unboxing Under 2 team, we want to thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxing videos and tech reviews in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.